Hello everybody and welcome. My name is Eric and today I'm going to be reviewing some professional cordless hair clippers from QBZDOUA. Let's get on it. Now before I begin the unboxing and the review itself, I have allowed myself for the rest of the week to go completely unshaven, ungroomed, because I usually shave this lower part of my neck and my head, and I just let it grow so I can actually put these to the test. So let me go ahead and bring you guys into sort of like a tabletop bird's eye view and show you guys what it's all about. All right, so here we are, the box. Let's go ahead and open it up, see what we got inside. So we have here the manual. I'm gonna go over this and find out the instructions before I get started. Put it to the side, a little thank you note, nice. This appears to be the charging base, it looks like. Look, must be an adapter in there. Looks like a little like it just magnetizes. I'm gonna find out. We have an array of different clippers. It is a shame that I don't have a whole lot of hair for me to try, but chances are I'm going to be using the smallest one. It's quite nice. A lot of them. Look at that. Very nice. All right, put that to the side. There's another clip. Oh, it actually comes with a charging brick. Very nice. And we have a standard USB adapter, it looks like. So this not only will work with a charging brick, but it could also work with like a expansion, portable battery. That'll work. Very nice, that's perfect. Comes with a little clean brush. And we have a comb. Again, it is a shame that I don't have a lot of hair. And here is the hairless clippers themselves. Very nice. Let me go ahead and open this up. I wonder if there's anything else below it. Sometimes they put stuff below it, under it. No, that is it for the unboxing. So let's take a look here. It's a power button. Oh, it comes charged with 80%. Not bad. It's got different speeds. Look at that. Press it once. Press it again. Stronger. And according to the instruction, I was checking their website. This front blade is actually ceramic titanium. That means it's going to last you a very long time. That looks like brass, I believe, if I'm not mistaken. This is IP7 waterproofing, according to the instructions. I like it. Yay. All right, so now that we're done with that, I wanted to check how this looks with the base. So according to the base, there are like two different lines of charging, because the charging adapters on the bottom will actually connect to those two circles, so you can put it on any angle. It'll begin to charge as long as you actually leave it connected. So it'll go like this on the bathroom. Let's say there's an outlet near the mirror, for example. You plug it in, you leave it there, you use it and let it charge, and you're ready to go. And according to the instructions, once it's fully charged, it doesn't say exactly how long it'll take to fully charge. I'm assuming about 3 to 4 hours. But I don't think it's gonna be a big problem because it comes with 80% right from the factory. So you're not gonna be suffering at all. And by the time you're done and clean it up, put it back on the base, it'll be ready for the next time you use it. So I don't think the time frame, how long it charges, is going to be a problem with this specific model. And yeah, leave it at that. So what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna go ahead and go to the bathroom and go ahead and start cleaning this section right here. I might leave my beard as it is. I don't think it's too scuffy right now. I might leave it, but I'm gonna clean this section back down here, the top of my head. I'm going to fast forward that section, obviously, so I don't bore you guys too much. Anyway, we're gonna get the bathroom set up and get started. Okay, everyone, so now here in my restroom, I'm gonna be trying this out. I actually went ahead and plugged it into the outlets right here next to the mirror. And this is usually how it goes. Connects right in, and because the charging ports inside are like circular and there's like the two sections right there, you can just drop it and it starts to charge. I noticed that it gives you no indication that it's actually charging, but it is. So while I get prepared, I want to show you guys a few pictures that I saw on their Amazon store. I think they're actually pretty good. They do a pretty good job on describing what these clippers are about. I'm just here to display it in action and an unboxing, but as you guys can see, you guys can pause it if you desire. The pictures are actually quite descriptive of what these are capable for. And the reason why I want to show the pictures is because I don't have a full mane of hair, so I figured give you guys a little insight of what these clippers do. So what I'm gonna do right now is, like I mentioned, I'm gonna go ahead and clean this section and clear my head. And instead of shaving, I'm gonna use that. I want to see how it feels and things of that nature. I'm gonna go ahead and fast forward this session as to not to bore you guys. Let's get to it. All right, here we go. What I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna use it under the lowest setting. I want to see how it goes. Ooh, that is smooth. I like it so far. Ceramic, huh? That is quite interesting. All right, here we go. Alrighty, so in conclusion, what can I say about these little clippers? They're smooth. There's something about that ceramic clipper that goes in there, that ceramic titanium, that is very different to one. Like this is a standard metal one. See, this one I can actually feel cutting the hair and digging a little bit deep into my skin whenever I use it. But this one, it just glides. Literally, it just glides through. I'm just amazed that this is the first time I see clippers with these type of material being used. Titanium ceramic blades. I think that's pretty amazing. Well, guys, I want to thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys found this video informative. On behalf of QVC, I want to put some links below to their Amazon store and these clippers, and a special thanks to QVC for sending these. They are quite amazing. They're gonna become a normal staple for my bathroom. Got myself nice and groomed up, and it is so smooth that I believe I can actually use it in an almost everyday scenario just to keep up. It's nice and smooth. It's that smooth. I like it. So guys, thank you guys so much for watching. See you guys in the next one. Later.